The slate75 is a mechanical keyboard featuring a 75% layout optimized for productivity. It is crafted with a focus on minimalist design principles, blending form and functions seamlessly. The slate75's keycaps are made from double-shot PBT, one of the most durable plastics used in keycaps. The legends are permanently molded into the keycaps, offering crisp, clear symbols that won't fade over time. The twist-to-tilt mechanism allows you to quickly adjust the typing angle of the slate75 to a 5.5-degree typing angle, optimizing comfort and reducing wrist strain during extended use. The slate75 offers full compatibility with both Mac and Windows operating systems, thanks to the convenient selector switch. Furthermore, USB-C ensures a reliable wired connection to your computer. The in-house designed PCB is mounted on silicone gaskets, which help absorb vibrations and enhance the feel of each keystroke. The result is a satisfying, crisp sound that accompanies every press, adding a rich, auditory dimension to your typing. By eliminating unnecessary elements, the slate75 promotes an uncluttered interface, allowing users to engage with its essential features and enjoy a more focused typing experience.